Good morning, students. Today I am coming here with a lesson from class 9, that is Fundamental Unit of Life. That is a biology lesson. So today some important part from the lesson I would like to explain, and that is about the cell organelles. So before starting this lesson, I would like to tell you what are cell organelles. So you should know about them. So what are they? What is their importance in our body? So first of all, we know the cell contains cytoplasm, and cytoplasm contains some living and some non-living particles. So those living particles of the cytoplasm, they are called the cell organelles. On the other hand, those non-living particles of the cytoplasm, they are said as the cell inclusions. So among these cell organelles, some of them are explained in the book. Already you have learned in class 8, but I would like to tell you about them here as a revision, because in class 8 what have you learned you may forget. So that is why I would like to explain them again once more again. You see the cell organelles and cell inclusions. So some examples if I give you, then it will be easy for you to understand. So cell organelles, starting from the Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, then lysosome, mitochondria. So these are cell organelles because they are the living things, they are the living particles, substances present in the cytoplasm, whereas water, carbohydrate, protein, lipid, like these things which are non-living, they are under the category of cell inclusions. Okay, so about cell inclusions, nothing to learn more because they are present there. They do not have any their own function, means they are not they are helping the cell, but they are not performing any like this works for the cell because they are non-living. They are required, but they are themselves they are not working, and themselves they are not doing any work for the cell. But the cell organelles, they are important as well as they are performing some works for the cell. So about them, some of them we will discuss today. First of all, it is given in the book, the endoplasmic reticulum. So simply we say as the ER. So what is endoplasmic reticulum? Why is it important? What are the types of endoplasmic reticulum? That today I want to tell you. So first of all, endoplasmic reticulum is actually one network of some tubes within the cytoplasm of the cell. There are so many tubes are arranged in the form of a network. So that is the endoplasmic reticulum. So what is the importance? For that I want to tell you that this endoplasmic reticulum, first of all, they are giving a shape to the cell, because this network, they works as the endoskeleton, and that is why the nickname of this endoplasmic reticulum is also endoskeleton of the cell, that you remember. So this as the skeleton of our body gives us a shape. So if you do not have the skeleton in us, then there will be no shape, shapeless body we may have. But we are having a definite shape because of the presence of the skeleton there inside the body, that bony skeleton. So same way within the cell also may be shapeless if there will be no endoplasmic reticulum. So the endoplasmic reticulum gives a support to the cell membrane and gives a proper shape to the cell. So that is the first function you can say. Secondly, these tubes are hollow tubes, means through, that means they are like the means pipes through which the materials, those materials which are secreted within the cell, they should be transported from one place to the another place within the cell. So for going from one place to another within the cell, they need one part, and this endoplasmic reticulum, the tubes of the endoplasmic reticulum, they are working as a path for them. They are giving the path to the materials there. Thirdly, so this endoplasmic reticulum, some of them have the attached ribosomes in them. So these ribosomes, when they are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, then the surface of the reticulum, it becomes rough. Okay, so at that case, at that time, this endoplasmic reticulum is said as the rough endoplasmic reticulum, or RER. So these ribosomes, they are helping in the synthesis of protein in the cell, because protein and lipids, these two things are required for making the cell membrane, or repairing the cell membrane, which is also said as the membrane biogenesis. So remember the term membrane biogenesis. It means the process by which the cell membrane is repaired by the protein and lipid which are synthesized within the cell. Proteins and lipids we are also taking from outside in our food, but with that proteins and lipids, the cell membrane is not repaired. So cell membrane is repaired by those proteins and lipids which are synthesized within the cell. That means you can think like this, that the foreign materials are not they are not trusting the foreign materials for making their own boundary. They are not trusting the foreign materials, outside materials. So therefore they synthesize by themselves. These proteins and lipids are synthesized within the cell, and with the help of that protein and lipids, the cell membrane is repaired. So these proteins are synthesized in the endoplasmic reticulum, in the RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, because the ribosomes are attached to them. These ribosomes are actually synthesizing the protein. On the other hand, if the ribosomes are not present, then the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum, it will be smooth. At that time, it is said as the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, or SER. So this smooth endoplasmic reticulum also performs some work. So that is the synthesis of lipid. Already I told you that lipids and proteins are important for the repairing of the cell membrane. So these proteins, how it is prepared, already I told you, and these lipids are also prepared or synthesized by the endoplasmic reticulum. Which one? That is the SER. That means smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So these two are the main functions. Three functions I have explained. First of all, it gives a shape. Endoplasmic reticulum gives a shape to the cell. Secondly, endoplasmic reticulum helps in the transportation of the materials within the cell. And thirdly, the endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes the proteins and lipids in the cell. So this is about endoplasmic reticulum. In my next video, I will discuss the other cell organelles which are explained in your book. I hope you understood. And if you did not understand, then you can WhatsApp me, or you can give comments below this video. Thank you and have a good day.